So I'm trying a new engine cleaner today. I'm going to clean up this filthy engine here, and hopefully, she is kind of nasty, but she's probably never been cleaned in her life. So, it's going to be a big job for this grease spray 9 Grez-Off. That's the French side, so the French could read that. A foaming action cleans quickly and deeply. Grez-Off engine degreaser. So spray it on, and then I guess I'll take her to the local car wash here and give her a spray off in here. Hopefully I can get away with that. And yeah, we'll get her sprayed on, and then we'll let her soak in. Let me read the instructions first. Now, before I begin this, I've plugged up everything that needs to be plugged up. I got to plug in this one. Doesn't go through. Plugged up the EGR. Tied up the valve cover breathers so no water gets in there. And wherever else I needed to plug up to make sure I didn't get any water in the engine. Now, I think I would love to put something around that, but I can clean that after. Let me also get the dipstick. Now let me read you a few warnings on this spray before I use it. Make sure engine is turned off and cool. Shake can well. Spray generously starting with the lower engine area and work towards the top. Do not spray directly onto alternator, distributor, electronic components, wiring, sensors, and intake systems. I don't really have a problem there. That's pretty well it. With damp cloth, immediately wipe off overspray from external painted surfaces. I don't have to worry about that. Allow to soak 10 to 15 minutes. So, now we got through the warnings. Now we can get into some action here. Well, hopefully. And let us start. It's spray, I'll give you that. Definitely sprayy. Oh, it smells, I gotta tell you, it smells pretty orangey. Is that what most of these sprays smell like? Oranges? Is oranges a good cleaning product? I don't really know. But it always seems like these things smell like oranges. And here I am babbling again. Because that is my channel and I can babble if I want to, right? No. Spark plugs are still in the engine, so there's nothing getting into the inside of the combustion. So that's good. I hope not. Hope I don't run out. There still seems to be quite a bit left in here. So I just hope it does the job it's supposed to do, which is clean this engine. Now, I'm going to bring you back, I guess, after I got her all soaked up and give a look. Well, there we are, all gooped up. Well, it seems to be. Hopefully, I'll let her sit for like 10 to 15 and then go and hopefully it'll all spray off very easily. But you know, with these things, sometimes they just don't work the way they're supposed to. But with pressurized water, I'm sure it will come apart just fine. Well, at least get the grease and grime off it, at least. In here, I'm a little worried and up top, but we'll see how good of a job it does. Well, just finished giving her the wash. And well, we'll check her out after she dries and see how well it worked. Well, there she is. She does look a lot better, doesn't she? Wow, no more griminess. I'm actually shocked how well it looks. Valve cover looks good. In behind, everything is clean. So that stuff, that engine degreaser worked really well. There's a few spots there where I could have did better, but you know, time constraints and all. She's pretty clean. So I have no problem now of taking this thing apart in the garage. We're getting her in the garage and not causing a huge mess. So did Grez-Off actually work good? I gotta say, it worked pretty darn good. So I'm happy with it. And there we go. We got her stood up there now. Maybe that'll be my... Let me take you off this stand. And there we go. Well, she worked good. I'm very happy with it. So I'll use it again. I don't really recommend things because it comes back to haunt me, but I'll use it again. So there you go. Looks great. I'm happy, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.